Hi there, I'm Akash Vukoti, author of Spelling Anything and a 6-time National Spelling Bee competitor. And I have some exciting news to share for serious spellers up until 8th grade. This summer, on August 4th through 8th, 2025, I will be leading a live online Spelling Bee workshop of 5 one-hour classes in order to help you get to the point where you can use the tools, techniques, and confidence to compete at the highest levels of spelling competition, the Scripps National Spelling Bee in Washington, D.C. Whether you're looking to compete on that national stage or just sharpen your spelling skills, this guide and this workshop is perfect as the next step for you. This workshop serves as an extension of my spelling preparation guidebook, Spelling Anything. It serves as a great companion to this workshop, and I highly recommend that you buy it in order to follow along with this course. It's received some great reviews, with hundreds of copies being distributed around the US and internationally, and it's received a glowing review in particular from world-renowned book review company Kirkus. This workshop serves as not just an extension, but another way of showing even more essential tips and tricks for you in order to do your best at your regional bees and compete at the National Spelling Bee. So, what's going to be in this workshop sessions? Well, as a 6-time national competitor, I'll be sharing all the essential tips and tricks that you need to know to make it to that national stage. And that includes so much more than just spelling rules and patterns, but also proven preparation strategies before your bee and top techniques on what to do when you're on stage. So make sure to sign up by clicking the link and going ahead with our early bird discount for just $100. After July 14th, that price will increase to $125. So just click the link, fill out the form, and I can't wait to see you in August.